Yo, what's going on, guys? Back at it again, another video, and I got a different style video I'm doing only in Orlando. Just want to tell y'all again, only in Orlando, where you can get in an accident by not even driving. Seriously. So I had a situation, as you can see with this light, where I was minding my business at the house, and I guess one of my neighbors was moving, and they end up hitting my backlight. You see how it shattered, but the light still works. But good thing about it, we end up talking, and he ended up paying for another lamp light. So I'm about to put this on. I actually did this last night, but the video quality was really bad. It was raining and you couldn't really see anything, so I kind of put it back on there and show y'all how to do it real easy. All you're gonna need is just these two equipment pieces right here. You're gonna need this driver right here. I think it's like a 10-inch, or I don't know the actual terminology for it. It's like a little 10-inch screw. And then if you don't have an actual something to get the screws out, I got this as well, so I can grab it and I can get in real narrow spaces. So let me show y'all how to do it. And like I said, I got the new piece right here, so I'm gonna show y'all the way to take it out and reinstall this as well. So the first step is pretty simple. So first you're gonna take this part out. It's like two little screws, but I already took them out. But don't be too aggressive with it, because they will fly under this mat right here. So you don't want to be digging. It takes a little while to do it. So I already did that part. So you're gonna have, well, for mine light, it had 2 screws, but the new one has 3. You're gonna take this driver right here, pretty simple, put it in, loosen up. And the good thing about, like, it was tough, at first I was playing with this a little bit when I first tried to do it, and because I didn't see any other YouTube videos on how to take these headlights out, or this deinstall it, so I kind of just did it based off common sense, even though common sense is not common. But I just try to make sure everything makes sense when I unplug this. So everything taken off, and what you're gonna do right here, as you can see, take this part out, loosen it up, bam, and it comes out just like that. You see? So let me give y'all a better camera angle. Okay, so now we're taking off the main headset. So I already kind of took out this main screw. So I'm gonna take this screwdriver right here and simply just deattach right here. It's 2 screws. It's this one right here that I already took out, and this one. So I'm gonna take this one out and put it on the side. And make sure these are easy to drop, so it will fall down here. So just put this on the side right here. Take this part out, and now this is the easy part. Actually, I'm lying. It wasn't easy. When I tried to take out this old one, it was kind of stuck because it's been in there since probably factory. It's a factory, so it was kind of stuck in there. So all you gotta do is on the bottom, it's like a little clip. All you're gonna do is push it together and take it out like that. Simple. And now we got to the actual brake light part, where all you gotta do is just simply turn counterclockwise, pull out. Pretty simple. See, now the main one is gone. Simple. Now I'm about to re-put in the new one. The same steps apply. So all I'm gonna do is pretty simple. I'm gonna plug this in, put it right back in the brakes. And my brakes are, if you had to change your lights, it's all you gotta do is just take that light bulb out and put another one in. But my brakes lights are already good, so I'm gonna just re-prop that back in place. Bam. And then put the reverse light in there. Oh, other way, my bad. Put it in the wrong spot. Like that. Pretty simple. Well, I'm saying it's simple, but there you go. Bam, it's in there. Alright, and then all I gotta do is just line this up. And then all you gotta do is put it in 1 screw. And then everything should be able to lock in place. Don't try to put both the screws at the same time. And this is super fast. Oh damn, I dropped this. But it's a super fast process, to be honest. So if you guys are not really good at assembling stuff, you can still do this without having to go to a auto shop and have them charge you $100 and some to do something that you can do in less than 10 minutes. It's super easy. All you gotta do is buy the part, and then just have this two equipment, and you're pretty much done with it. Then right here, now I gotta do is line it up, back up, bam, solid back in, and then I'm gonna put this lock on here so to get it nice and solidified. Hey, you heard that? Bam. Now, the last part. Now, we're on the last part. All you gotta do is screw this back in. Oh, hold this in, make sure you get it nice and firm. Now I'm gonna tighten these up when I put the last one on there. Bam. Put this screw on there. These ain't going nowhere. Yeah, I did this last night, so if I can do this at night before it started raining, I can definitely do this in the day. It's a lot easier. Don't try this at night, because you might drop a screw and then you're gonna forget where it's at and you're gonna be struggling to find it. So now I'm just gonna lock these in, make sure there's no issue. Just fully lock this up. Bam, that's good money. Bam, that's locked in place. And bam, locked in place. Alright, and then all I gotta do is put that back in, pop that back in place. Really easy to do it. Don't be intimidated. And literally, I'm about to beat the rain right now because I feel some raindrops hitting my face right now. Hold on. Bam, bam, bam. Put the mat back on there. Bam, ta-da. Now let me check and see. Let me just do a final test. I'm gonna do a final test for y'all to see if it works. So pretty simple process what I'm about to do. I'm gonna do brake, reverse, turn signal. That's it. You're gonna see these work and you get to see it firsthand as well too. So. Alright, so the brake lights work, but it might be a little harder since it's daytime, but I'll just show a past clip of me doing it at night so you can get more of a feel of the light showing. But make sure hit the subscribe button. Hope you found this video helpful, and you already know what time it is. Gone.